Hey, what's going on guys, Crimson here, and today I'm going to be testing Jump Force, which is the newest game to come out with a bunch of anime characters. These animes include Naruto, Bleach, Black Clover, My Hero Academia, Yu-Gi-Oh, and a bunch more. And if you guys are weeb like I am, then you guys are definitely going to enjoy this video because I'm going to be testing this on a MacBook Pro, which is just, you know, something that a lot of people don't think can run a game such as this one, which is a really beautiful looking game. And today we're going to be putting it to the test. So if you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways guys, let's get straight into the video. Now if you guys didn't catch my last video, which was can Apex run on a MacBook Pro, then you guys would know that video, it was very interesting because Apex did run on a MacBook Pro at 720p with low to medium settings, and it ran really well, over 60 FPS into the hundreds, you know, every now and then. And it was just really interesting because a lot of people think that a MacBook, just because it's, you know, $1,000 school laptop, it can't do some gaming. But I'm here to prove you guys wrong and tell you that this MacBook can definitely do some gaming. You just have to tweak it a bit to get it to do what you want. And the reason why I do all of this, testing Apex, testing Jump Force and all of that, is because a lot of people are out there like my brother and they bought a MacBook Pro for school or something and it's doing the job that it needs to do, but maybe they're interested in getting a game like Jump Force and they want to play it, but they're not very sure if they should spend their money on a game that might not even run. And I'm here to let you guys know whether or not the game is going to run. Now switching over to the settings tab, this is what I have selected just because I tried a bunch of different combinations and I found this to be the best one, because a lot of other settings, whenever I would change them, it would cause a lot of stutters in the game, or it would cause the game to dip under the 30s, and I just didn't like that. And after 20 minutes of tweaking, these are the best settings I could find, and it stayed very consistent around that 50 to 60 FPS, and only every now and then when there was a cinematic shot would it dip to around 48, and you wouldn't even notice it just because it was running so smooth. For the most part, this game ran really well at 1920 by 1080, which I'm just completely shocked by, because for Apex I had to turn it down to 720p, but I mean that is a more intense game. It's a FPS game compared to this one, which is just a fighting game. But I was just overall surprised that the Radeon 560 on this could keep up and, you know, give such a stellar performance with it. Now in case you guys are wondering how I got the gameplay footage off of the MacBook, what I actually did was use OBS NDI and send the signal from the MacBook to my computer, and from my computer I recorded my brother's MacBook screen in order to keep the CPU from using as little power as possible in order to keep the frame rates consistent. So I recorded everything off of my computer just because I didn't want to have to record my computer screen like I did last time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that part at least. Anyways guys, let me know if you guys are jumping onto the Jump Force hype. I am really excited for this game. There are mixed reviews about it, but so far I'm just too big of an anime fan to complain about anything. So I'm just playing through the story mode on my computer and my brother's playing through the online on his computer. So it's really nice that we both can enjoy a little bit of gaming together because, you know, his computer can actually run it. So it's just really cool overall. Let me know if you guys are having any issues with your MacBook Pro, or if you guys are running this on an iMac, anything like that, just let me know. I read all the comments on the last video and I was just really excited to interact with you guys. Anyways guys, make sure to go check out the Discord down below if you guys are not a part of that. I'm super active on there as well. If you guys want to reach me, YouTube or Discord are the way to go. Twitter is also a very good method. But anyways guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any interesting video ideas, and I will catch you guys next time.